The Dolphin Explorer E50 pool robot by Maytronics takes the hassle out of cleaning your pool. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and full integration with the MyDolphin Plus app are key features of the E50 robotic pool cleaner. The E50 works hard in the pool and in the cloud so you don't have to. The app features manual drive mode, a cycle selector, a weekly timer, a full filter indicator, pick-me-up mode, and more. It even provides handy cleaning tips and proactive robot service notifications. The Dolphin Explorer E50 is for in-ground pools of all surfaces up to 50 feet in length. It has automated cleaning cycles and cleaning modes along with easy access top-load filtration. The robot uses either the XL Fine or Ultra Fine filter options while expertly cleaning the pool floors, walls, and waterline. The Dolphin Explorer E50 has a cord that measures 60 feet long with patented swivel technology that stops any tangles before they happen. The E50 has 4,000 gallon per hour suction rate and weighs only 16.5 pounds. The Dolphin Explorer line consumes an average of 5 cents of energy per hour and is 8 times more energy efficient than suction and pressure cleaners. The E50 uses Clever Clean technology to expertly map your pool for the most optimal route to get the cleaning job done. The E50 also uses patented Power Stream technology to propel itself while climbing walls and scrubbing the waterline. Our team of experts at Easy Test Pool Supplies have many years of robot experience. We would be happy to help advise and answer any questions that you may have. Looking to purchase the E50? Visit the link in the description. Thank you for watching.